Hello my friends, how are you? I returned for you with a new delicious recipe from Syrian cooking. It is halawat al-juban. It means the sweetness of cheese. It is the most delicious and popular dessert. Let's do it. The ingredient we need 2 cups of water to bake like this glasses, and half of glasses of sugar, and we need mozzarella cheese. We need about 600 grams of cheese. We stir very much, and we need to very fine semolina. We stir very much like this to see the cheese melts, and we put the semolina. We stir until the cheese melts. I stir very well until it melts together like this. I stir very well until it be smoothie like this. Yes, like this, more and more of stir, and I put quiet fire. Yes, it is very smooth now, right now. And finally, I will put a few drops of blossom water. It gives a good flavor. I stir very much. The smell is very delicious. Then we will go to roulette halawat al-juban. It is amazing. I put nylon on the surface so that it can help us easily rub, and I put a syrup, sugar, and I will take piece of dough so that we can stuff it. I do this circle, and I stuff with cream. I put more of cream like this, and we will roll it. Yes. Yes, and I will remove the remaining piece. And I will leave it to cool for about 10 minutes or more. Amazing. Then I open the nylon, and we will cut in a small pieces like this. I want to try it. It is very easy and delicious. Then we will decorate it with the pistachio and serve with syrup as you want. It is very delicious and easy, and you will like it. I hope to try it and give me your opinion. It is very delicious. I hope you will take your opinion for me. and don't